Hi, Gompers Hawks. I just wanted to check in with you to make sure that you knew how to navigate the e-learning packets that are online. So when you are in your web browser, if you just type in juliet86.org, it's going to bring you to the district website. You're going to navigate over to students and parents. Now click on the new e-learning page. On this e-learning page, you want to click the drop down and come down here to Gompers e-learning webpage. Just to give you a heads up about this page updates weekly with the new e-learning packets. You're going to just hover over and click. It'll open up a PDF. Just so that you know, you're going to have work Monday through Friday on the boards. As you can see here, you should be on the average spending between 15 to 30 minutes in a class if you're working through all of your work. Specials are also on the board, as are any accommodations or additional supports that you may need. If you have any questions when you're navigating your boards, please feel free to reach out to your teachers in Google Classroom or via Remind. Teachers have set up office hours for you. It would be awesome for you to check in on them during those office hours because they're missing you a lot and would love to see your faces. Don't forget that if you don't want to work online and you want to pick up a packet, you can pick up packets from the office. Also remember, the district is providing breakfast and lunches in those grab-and-go bags. We want to be sure that you're staying safe and healthy, and we miss you a lot. Work on your e-learning boards daily, Monday through Friday, but also check in your teacher's Google Classroom for more information. Talk to you again soon.